Hello friends, this is Dr. Pavan Jagannath Tamde, working as Assistant Professor in Chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik. In today's video lecture, we will see resonance effect. Resonance effect is also called as mesomeric effect. In resonance effect, chemical structure can be written in two or more than two different forms. These different structures are called as canonical forms or resonance structures. Resonance structures are made by shifting of pi electrons. So remember, resonance effect is shown by molecule which is having pi electron, that too under certain conditions. Resonance structures are imaginary structures. All the resonating structures can be mixed to form new structure which is called as resonance hybrid structure. And this resonance hybrid structure can explain all the properties of that particular structure or molecule. Consider benzene molecule. Benzene molecule can be written either in this form or this form. The only difference between these two structures is in position of carbon-carbon double bond and single bond. So these two structures are nothing but canonical structures or resonance structures. And we can write down benzene molecule normally in this format, where we will put circle in the ring which shows delocalization of 6 pi electron on 6 carbon atom. So this structure is more acceptable. This is called as resonance hybrid structure. Now resonance in benzene. Why we need the phenomena of resonance to explain structure of benzene? Now look at this structure of cyclohexene molecule. Cyclohexene molecule possesses carbon-carbon single bond and one carbon-carbon double bond. If you look at bond length, then carbon-carbon single bond is 1.52 angstrom and carbon-carbon double bond is 1.33 angstrom. And when we compare benzene molecule, then in benzene molecule as well there is a carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon single bonds. And we are expecting that the carbon-carbon single bond must be of 1.52 angstrom and carbon-carbon double bond must be of 1.33 angstrom. However, if we analyze benzene molecule, then we notice that all the carbon-carbon bond present in benzene are 1.42 angstrom in length, which is not matching with either single bond or double bond. And with the help of resonance, we can explain why this happens. The resonance arrow and its physical importance. The resonance arrow is not an equilibrium arrow. They are different from each other. We have seen different arrows in our last video lecture. Now this arrow is called as resonance arrow. And if you look at these two structures, they are resonance structure of each other, which are interconvertible into each other by shifting of electrons. So this is how this structure is converted into this by depositing this electron and opening this double bond to this oxygen. In the same way, if this oxygen deposit this negative charge and this double bond opens to this oxygen, we will get this structure. So these two structures are resonance structures of each other. The resonance arrow shows only the distribution of electron. Thus, for the two degenerate structures above, there is an even distribution of the two electron between the two oxygen atom at all the times. And this is the resonance hybrid structure of these two resonating forms. Types of resonance or mesomeric effect. There are two types of resonance or mesomeric effect. First is positive resonance effect. It is abbreviated as plus R effect. It is also called as positive mesomeric effect and abbreviated as plus M effect. And the second type is negative resonance effect or minus R effect or minus M effect. We will see these two effects. In positive resonance effect, the transfer of electron is away from an atom or group which is attached to conjugated system. For example, if we consider this anisole molecule, then in anisole molecule this aromatic part is a conjugated system and this is a group which is acting as a substituent on this molecule. So in this case, the movement of electron is from this substituent to aromatic system, that is conjugated system, then such effect is called as positive resonance effect. The second is negative resonance effect. In negative resonance effect, the transfer of electron is towards the atom or substituent group attached to conjugated system. Consider an example of nitrobenzene. In nitrobenzene, this is conjugated system and this is a substituent attached to conjugated system. In this case, electrons are moving towards the substituent which is present on conjugated system. Then such effect is called as minus resonance effect or negative resonance effect. So we will see an example of plus R effect in detail and its consequences. An electron donating group shows plus R effect. Consider the same example of anisole. In anisole, this oxygen is having lone pair of electron and oxygen shows tendency to donate this lone pair of electron to aromatic system, and by resonance it will form different resonating form. So this negative charge is delocalized at orthocarbon atom. Then again this negative charge will delocalize in the system and we will get this type of canonical structures. If you look at these canonical structures, the negative charge is appeared on ortho, para and ortho position, that is 2, 4 and 6 position in anisole molecule. So in case of this anisole molecule, these ortho, para and ortho positions are comparatively electron rich because of delocalization of electron, because of presence of electron on this carbon atom. However, this carbon, that is metacarbon, are relatively electron deficient. So when such a molecule comes in contact with electrophile, then this electrophile is attracted at ortho and para position. However, this electrophile is repelled by meta positions like this. And then in electrophilic aromatic substitution, electrophile goes to ortho position plus para position and never on meta position. This can be explained with the help of plus R effect. In the same way, we will consider one example of negative resonance effect where electron withdrawing group is present on conjugated system. Consider an example of nitrobenzene. In nitrobenzene, nitro group is electron withdrawing, so it will pull electron from benzene ring and we will get this type of structure. So this positive charge now will delocalize inside this system and positive charge will be there on ortho positions and para position. So these are canonical structure of nitrobenzene. And if you look at this nitrobenzene molecule and above canonical structures, you can easily say that in case of nitrobenzene, the ortho position, para position and ortho positions are comparatively electron deficient and meta positions are comparatively electron rich. So these are electron deficient positions and these two are electron rich position for substitution kind of reaction. So when such molecule comes in contact with electrophile, then obviously electrophile is repelled by ortho and para position and electrophile is attracted by meta position, and thus this kind of molecule undergoes meta substitution reaction and we will get meta substituted product as a predominant product, and this can be explained with the help of negative resonance effect in aromatic systems. Now these are some example of electron donating group and electron withdrawing group. In electron donating group we have already seen methoxy in detail. In the same way we can have some alkyl group like methyl, ethyl, propyl and so on. NH2 group, OH and NC, they are electron donating group. They shows plus or positive resonance effect, and these are electron withdrawing group like nitro, CHO, carboxylic acid, ketone, esters, CF3, CN and this cation. They are electron withdrawing group. So they will direct incoming electrophile at meta position predominantly like nitro group in previous example. So if an electron donating group is present on system, then it will exhibit positive resonance effect, and if electron withdrawing group is present, then it will exhibit negative resonance effect. The conjugated system may be aromatic or it may be aliphatic. Now look at this example. We already seen this example of carboxylate kind of anion. In this case, this oxygen bears negative charge, and this negative charge is delocalized among these two oxygen atom, and we can get this type of resonance structure, and this is resonance hybrid of these two canonical structures. In the same way, if you think of aniline, in aniline NH2 group is electron releasing, that is electron donating, and it will show positive resonance effect, and these are the canonical structure of aniline molecule. Now look at this molecule. This is allylic cation. In this case, carbon number 3 is having positive charge, and next to it there is a carbon-carbon double bond, so it will show resonance effect, and this positive charge is delocalized on carbon number 3 and carbon number 1, and this is resonating structure which shows that positive charge is present on both carbon number 1 as well as 3, and this double bond is in between carbon number 1, 2 and 3. Now resonance structure impart stability to ionic structure. With the help of resonance effect, we can explain acidity and basicity of many molecules. Just look at one example. Now if you look at this molecule, this is ethanol and this is acetic acid. Now with the help of resonance, we can explain that out of these two molecules, which is comparatively more acidic. In order to become acid, this molecule need to lose this hydrogen as H positive, and after losing this proton, we will get the conjugate bases of this molecule. So this is conjugate base of ethanol and this is conjugate base of acetic acid. If you look at this conjugate base, then in this case resonance is not possible because there is no adjacent double bond to this oxygen. However, in this case resonance effect is possible, and because of resonance this negative charge is delocalized and these two oxygen will bear this negative charge. So this structure is comparatively stabilized as compared to this, and as a consequence this molecule is more acidic in nature as compared to this molecule. Now we will see some example. Formation of which cation is more favorable among these 1 and 2. We can explain this with the help of resonance effect. If you understand resonance effect, I am sure you will be able to explain which cation will form and why. In the same way, look at this example, cation 3 and cation 4. Out of these two, which will be formed? Now among first and second, first will form predominantly because after formation this positive charge can be delocalized by neighboring oxygen by means of resonance effect. However, in second structure resonance effect is not possible. So first cation will be more stable, thus it will form predominantly during the course of reaction. In the same way, among third and fourth, third cation will form predominantly as third can be stabilized by means of resonance effect. However, such resonance effect is not there in cation 4. The next question is a true or false kind of question. The following pair of structure is an example of resonance. Find out whether it is true statement or false statement. Look at the example and find out whether these two are resonating structure of each other or not. In the same way, look at these two structure and find out whether these two structures are resonating structures of each other or not. So if you understand this topic clearly, you can easily comment that these two structures are resonating structures of each other. So this is true for these two structures. However, if you look at these two structures, then these two structures are not resonance form of each other. So this is false for this case. I hope you must have enjoyed and understand the concept of resonance. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.